A reliable engine is fundamental for a safe, pleasant, and problem-free navigation. The first step is the correct installation of your new onboard motor. A good design will find the ideal position of the engine strictly tuned to the maker's technical specifications for dimensions, accessibility, and comfort. The base must be structurally well connected to contrast the forces at play and be well aligned to match the transmission perfectly. Today, installation is made easy thanks to the sail drive, which considerably reduces vibrations and thus improves the quality of life on board. Pay close attention to the silent blocks, as they can help you correct possible installation error. By loosening the nut below, you can lower the engine, and vice versa, by tightening, you may raise it. A sufficient exchange of air must reach the engine compartment through the access pipe, which should be connected to the air filter, and also provide an air extractor in the upper part of the compartment. Verify that the seawater filter is properly sealed. Seawater in marine engines cools the freshwater circuit via the exchanger. Clean the gasket and rack carefully and close firmly. To be safe, also check thoroughly all the clasps and terminals of the cooling system, tightening them where necessary. Do the same with the fuel line, and always examine the condition of the fuel filter. Whenever the engine's head is below the water level, it is essential to set the siphon brake well above the flotation line, carefully following the manufacturer's specifications. Be aware that a poorly conceived exhaust system will create serious problems. It may occur that water remaining in the exhaust pipe will turn back and go back into the cylinders through the exhaust outlet. Therefore, place the exhaust pipe and silencer as low as possible. Adjust the dimensions of the exhaust so that it may contain all the water that remains in the pipe below, plus a safety margin. Place a siphon or gooseneck at the tailpipe at least 40 centimeters above the floating line. The fuse box should be placed in a well-protected position and at the same time should be accessible during maneuvers. To ensure your marine engine a long life, carefully follow all standard maintenance procedures on your service manual. Always use original replacements and stock up on official lubricants and coolants.